Just when we thought Itel was done releasing devices this year, they surprised us with the Itel A70. It is their latest budget offering going for the price of 88,000 naira, and for that price, what are you getting? Well, let's find out right after you click on that like button so that more people can get to see this video, and that subscribe button as well so that we can reach the goal of 2,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Thank you. Kicking things off with what's in the box, we get the phone, a case with a massive design at the back. Why? Itel, it clearly doesn't have wireless charging, a USB Type-C cable, a charging brick, and a 3.5mm headphone. So in terms of accessories, you are not missing out on anything. The Itel A70 is made out of a plastic build, both at the back and frame. It comes in 4 color options, the blue color option looking pretty much exactly like the TechnoSpark 10 Pro. At the sides of the Itel A70, we get a power button and the volume keys. At the bottom, we get a mono speaker, USB Type-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. At the other side, there is a SIM card and micro SD card slot. Also, the Itel A70 is a 4G device. Moving on to the display, the Itel A70 houses a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. It is not an AMOLED display, so don't expect deep blacks and vibrant colors. However, the display is still okay for social media consumption. There is also no high refresh rate on the display, which is understandable for a device at this price range. The Itel A70 ships with Android 13 Go edition. It is a lighter version of Android meant for low-end devices with Itel OS 13 skin on top of it. Itel OS 13 is a familiar skin if you have used Tecno or Infinix devices before. We likely won't be getting any major software updates, but we should be getting the occasional security patches. Still on software, there is the dynamic bar feature introduced with the Itel S23 Plus. Under the hood is a Unisoc Tiger T603 chipset. It is built on a 12nm process and it isn't all that powerful, so I wouldn't expect you to tax the Itel A70 as you would other devices. The Itel A70 also packs in 4GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of storage, which can be expanded using a memory card. The RAM can also be expanded by another 8GB using memory fusion, but I wouldn't really advise you to do so because there isn't really any tangible difference in performance. Powering the Itel A70 is a 5000 mAh battery capable of lasting through the entire day and even more if you're a light user. And when it is time to charge, the Itel A70 is capable of 10 watts charging, which means charging time will be anywhere from 2 to 3 hours. When it comes to camera, the Itel A70 is a camera-focused device. It has a 30MP main camera and an AI camera capable of taking OK photos in sufficient lighting conditions, and it can also record up to 720p 30 frames per second from the rear camera and the 8MP selfie camera as well. Securing the Itel A70 is a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and a less secure face unlock using the selfie camera. And yeah, that's pretty much it on the Itel A70. It is a budget device. I mean, the dollar rate isn't helping, but it is meant to be a budget device and for people that just want devices that just work and nothing really special. So let me know in the comments if you'll be getting one, and let me know your thoughts on the Itel A70 as well. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like as well. Thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.